Velma. Oh, come on. Oh. And then we have the cute little lipstick. How cute. Velma. And then this. And then this is Velma. And it's the lip gloss. This is a Velma. I don't know, I'm not really a dark lip type person. I like more nudes, but I mean, it's still cute. I like it. Next is Daphne. And here's the lip. I don't really like this color either, but it's really creamy. It's really like stage makeup-ish to me. So, like I said, I'm more of a nude person, but the makeup, the lip liner is super creamy and pigmented. The lipstick is nice, and the lip gloss, of course, I love it. The pencil. And the lipstick, so cute. Alright, so this one, I think this is gonna be my favorite one. Like that. It smells so good. I don't know. And this is, here they are. I suggest